Taiwan is an Eastern Asian country with a population of about 22.2 million people as of 2012. Taiwan is one of the few countries that at some point in time had a population decline. During the years 2006 to 2007, Taiwan's population declined by about 2.5%. Taiwan is one of the most densely populated places on Earth, with an average of 660 people per square kilometer. To put that into perspective, the US has a population density of about 34 people per square kilometer. Although this nation is densely packed, the life expectancy is among the highest in the world. This shows their advancement in the tertiary sector. They have a good medical system. In fact, the reason that their nation is densely populated is not because of overpopulation. 2/3 of Taiwan is covered in mountains. This means that there is very little land space to be used as habitats. Although Taiwan is a very small country, it has a very strong economy. It is the 17th largest exporter of merchandise and the 16th largest importer of merchandise. Taiwan has gone through a large industry shift within the last 60 years. This is the Taipei 101. It is the tallest building in Taiwan and the second tallest building in the world. It is known to be one of the strongest buildings because it is known to be able to withstand large earthquakes. This is the Geofen gold mine. It opened somewhere in 1893. Sometime during the Second World War, the amount of gold being produced in the mine reduced. The mine was finally shut down in 1971 because all the resources had been depleted. Because primary industries in Taiwan were not doing so well, they had to move into another sector. The mine was then transformed into a museum. This is an example of something that was originally built for the extraction of gold, which is the primary industry, but is now used as a tourist site, which is the tertiary sector. Because Taiwan is densely populated, it is hard to find the necessary space for agriculture. It makes it hard to find space to produce enough food for the entire nation. So Taiwan has to come up with new technological innovations to help them solve the problem. This is possibly what makes Taiwan one of the fastest growing economies. Necessity breeds innovation. This is an example of a place we visited while in Taiwan. It is a mochi factory. Because they manufacture the mochis here, it is mainly considered to be part of the secondary sector. The secondary sector can create a lot of jobs for people in some cases, or in other cases, can make people lose their jobs due to technological advancements. Also, The factory that we went to also sold them what she produced. That could also make it a tertiary business. Taiwan is known to be the largest supplier of technological products in the world. They play a key role in providing the world with all necessary devices. Although their country is known to be quite polluted, they are the world leaders in making products that are environmentally efficient as well as energy efficient. Taiwan is also very strong in areas such as nanotechnology and biotechnology. This shows their advancement in the tertiary sector. They have large sectors dedicated to all kinds of scientific research. Taiwan also happens to have one of the largest telecommunication networks in Asia. A large percent of its Asian community have access to computers as well as internet in their homes. The tertiary sector is sometimes called the service sector. It used to be attributed to intangible elements, but now it stretches to things like entertainment, government, telecommunication, hospitals, tourism, mass media, and information technology. Although Taiwan's tertiary sector is not its largest sector, it is well on its way. For now, Taiwan is still dominant in its manufacturing sector.